Hello, this is Richard Collins, your instructor in ATM 101 Weather and Climate of Alaska here at the University of Alaska, Fairbanks. Welcome to Unit 9. In this unit we will look at how wind arises in the atmosphere and the processes that govern its speed and direction. The investigation this week is a benchtop investigation where you will study the properties of water and humidity. You will measure humidity and the latent heat diffusion of water. Get ready to use your sling psychrometers. The reading for this week draws on Chapter 8 of Weather Studies and Chapter 5 of the Climate of Alaska. The subject of Chapter 8 of Weather Studies is wind and weather. The subject of Chapter 5 of Climate of Alaska is pressure and wind in Alaska. The quick answer of how wind works is as follows. As you know, the sun heats the earth unevenly. The equator is warmer than the poles. Land can be warmer or cooler than the adjoining sea. These temperature differences result in pressure gradients where the pressure varies with horizontal distance, and these horizontal pressure gradients drive the winds. The mechanism is consistent with the behavior of heat, which is a form of energy. Heat flows from hotter objects to colder objects. The winds carry warmer air to cooler regions. One important point: pressure gradients in the vertical are balanced by gravity. In the vertical, we have a 500 millibar change in the bottom 5 kilometers of the atmosphere, giving a gradient of 100 millibars per kilometer. If such large gradients existed in the horizontal, our current hurricanes would look like gentle breezes compared to the superstorms that would result. Typical horizontal gradients are on the order of millibars per kilometer. In the lecture screencast for this unit, I highlight the key themes for the unit. I discuss the forces that govern the wind in more depth than the textbook. While I do not expect you to review all of classical physics, I do expect you to take the time to think through the balances of different forces at work. How does the pressure gradient force balance the Coriolis force? How does the wind change direction as its speed increases as it responds to the increasing Coriolis force? The cartoons in the screencast will appear in the quizzes and exams. Please watch the lecture before you jump into the reading. The screencast lecture also highlights the concepts that are important for the quiz and explores them more deeply than the textbook. Don't forget to complete and submit the concept questions. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me or the instructors. Thank you and good luck.